Hi everybody, with me today I have Fantasticlean. This is a pack of 75 microfiber towels and they're tearaway, and you can use them for so many things such as paint, pet, home, auto, or even janitorial work to clean. So let's take a look inside and see what they look like. When you first take a look at it, it kind of reminds me of a regular paper towel. It looks just like the rolls you buy at the grocery store, but this is so much more. They're washed and reusable up to 50 times, and they're 10 times more absorbent than regular paper towels, and they're ideal for your home and your car cleaning. So let's get it open so I can show you guys what they look like. Alright, you guys, take a look at this big roll of microfiber towels. And quick math lets me know that if I have 75 microfiber towels and I can use each 50 times, that is 3,750 uses, you guys, which is definitely way more than you can get with regular paper towels anyway. So take a look at this. All you gotta do is roll it, and as you can see, there's a division between the first one and the second one. And just like you would with a regular paper towel, you just rip one away and you can use this 50 times and rewash it. I also love microfiber because it doesn't leave all those little dust or little hairs, and it doesn't collect anything when you're cleaning. So it is really good for cleaning mirrors or anything like that, you guys. So check this out. I definitely recommend it, and it is going to save us so much money in the long run because this is way more affordable than buying 3,750 paper towels, you guys. This is not only helping the environment, is being affordable in your home, and is reusing, of course, the fiber towel as well. So go check this out. Definitely recommend it.